welcome back. This is your girl from inside the room, and today we are going to talk about online classes. I think we all pretty much basically got habituated to online classes from past 2 to 3 years. Not 3 years, 2 years, I guess. So I have put a status on my WhatsApp a couple of days before asking my friends how they feel about online classes. Is it good? Is it bad? Just tell me about it. And I have got some pretty good replies and I am going to react them. So yeah, I'll put them here or here while editing. I have another mobile and I'm going to read them from here. So first one, I feel offline is better, but we can bunk more online classes than offline, but also we concentrate more in offline classes. Yeah, of course you will concentrate offline classes more when corona will take your attendance. Is that what you are trying to say? Okay, I tried to be sarcastic, but yeah, if that was sarcastic, take it. If not, I did my good shot. That's it. So I guess this is jokes apart. I guess this is because of face-to-face interaction. You know, when the teacher is looking into your eyes and observing all of you, if you are looking at the blackboard or not, if you are listening or not, and that pretty much makes you conscious of yourself and conscious of how you are behaving, and that is why you will be able to concentrate more in offline classes than online. Yeah, that's what I think. Now second one, before first time college full enjoy but it would full bore, of course offline. So this might be the gang who are pretty much who bunk their classes or who pretty much want to make friends. So this guy is my classmate, my fellow classmate, and I guess this reply is because he is so so into fun and enjoyment. We would go out and we would go to eat pani puri, go to eat chat, etc, full friends gang, friendship, selfies, a group, etc. So this would be complete opposite to introverts. I guess they would be enjoying their life sitting inside a room like me. I'm an extrovert too, but yeah, both sides, this is more comfortable. థర్డ్ వన్, అసలు అర్థమవుతలేదు, ఏం తెలియట్లేదు, అసలు ఏ టాపికో తెలియట్లే, ఏం చెప్తున్నాడో అర్థం అవ్వట్లే. యా, దిస్ ఈస్ బికాస్ ఐ గెస్ బుక్స్ మెయిన్ రీజన్. When it is offline classes, we are pretty much forced or commanded, ordered to buy books, and we do buy them, and the teacher will say which page number we are in and which paragraph they are reading or explaining, etc. But in online classes, mostly people say they bought books but they really didn't, or it's just about PDF, and it's not really a book interaction with people, and you have to ask your friends about PDF and then download it and then open it, read it. So much of boring stuff. I hate that. I wish they they put books and they just how do I say, just dedicate a day for each group and sell books at college like how they used to do at school. I wish they did. The PDF thing is really irritating and it hurts your eyes and your head and it gives you headache. Now don't come at me saying that you watch mobile 24/7, won't your eyes hurt? Yes, they do, but it's different. When we are doing about studies, we actually concentrate and that hurt your eyes rather than chatting, videos, etc. So no, don't come at me. What, never seen a hypocrite before? Don't judge me, stop it. Going to next one, very bad. So I said tell me more. కాలేజ్లో ఉన్న అట్మాస్ఫియర్ ఎంతైనా ఇంట్లో ఉండదు కదా, అండ్ మళ్ళీ కొన్ని అవర్స్ పాటు ఏం చూస్తాం స్క్రీన్ని. అదే కాలేజ్లో అయితే డైరెక్ట్ ఇంటరాక్షన్ ఉంటుంది సర్స్తో and friends fun. This is exactly what I was talking about. Face-to-face interaction, human interaction, that is so important, and lack of that is lack of interest. But also I'm not telling colleges should open no time soon, because third wave is hitting us very soon, and I guess it's better to keep colleges shut down only. And it's really fun to be with your friends, but also guys, COVID is serious, it is dangerous, many people have lost their lives, and I really hope they rest in peace. And that is it. Just, it's a fact that offline classes are more better, but online classes should be mandatory given the cause, and we can't do anything about it. So last, to be honest, I can't be able to concentrate much because we are at home and there are distractions, of course. So when you are at college, it's just your classroom, teachers lock the door, only blackboard, or this side your friends, this side your friends, down to your books and straight to your blackboard. But when you are at home, TV, another phone, your siblings, your mom, some sounds in the background, etc., etc., they do distract you very much. So that will be a disturbance and lack of concentration. And this girl again said that, but what I said is not probably a valid thought, because it's our duty to listen to them, and we have to get rid of distractions and choose a peaceful place to listen to the class, of course. So when you have a separate room, or when you have the privilege or the comfort to have a separate room, or a peaceful place where you can actually listen to the class, it's great. But everyone doesn't have that. Many people do not have a place which is peaceful or silent for them for 4 to 5 classes, 4 to 5 hours continuously, where no one would come, no one would disturb, and it's just silent place. So I think that's pretty much disturbing for people to listen to the classes. So for here I sum up my video. This is done, and I want to mention a special thanks to my sir, my English sir, Mahateja sir. Sir, if you are watching this, thank you so much for guiding me through this video. I wasn't actually going to be sarcastic with the first reply. Actually, he suggested me to be sarcastic through the whole video, and I tried to do that, but I wasn't really getting into that zone, just because I guess it's not my zone. But he really tried to help me. He called me and gave me the perfect guidance, and to how to do it and what to do it. He even sent me some clips and some some advices, and he constantly supported me through this video. Thank you so much, sir. A big shout out to our sir. He's really friendly, and all of our classmates love his classes. Thank you so much, sir, for being there in this time, and I hope to see more suggestions from you now that I'm doing my videos in English, and you are our sir, English sir. I hope you correct my mistakes and guide me through every video that I do. Thank you so much, and that is it. I'll see you guys in the next video. Stay positive, stay happy, healthy, wear a mask, and peace out. Bye.